ripping this out the ground. You see this right here? You see these stems with the hairs on it like that. This is some poison ivy. Now I know everybody got that one spot in the yard that the poison ivy pops up every summer and it gives you a problem. Well, here's free game for y'all. Get it out now in March. You feel me? We out here pruning, cutting stuff back, but stuff like this poison ivy, rather than just cut it back, we try to uproot it. Now I know all the time I'm talking about, yo, cut your plants, leave the roots in the ground. It builds the ecosystem in the soil, the rhizosphere, the bioactivity, all that. But this is one instance that I'm telling you, get the roots out, man. Poison ivy, it could take over, it could get everywhere. You definitely don't want to touch it. It's going to have you breaking out and everything. You still want to use gloves when you're working it. You know what I'm saying? When you're getting it out by the root. Look at this one right here. I got a whole big root. That's why I'm going to pull it out. Still use your gloves though while you're working with this stuff. Wear long sleeve. You know, I got long sleeves on because I don't want it to really get on my skin or nothing. But look, all these roots right here, that would have been poison ivy growing everywhere. So now's the time to go ahead and get in your yard, especially in those areas where you know the poison ivy comes back every year. I'm telling you, the roots is there. That's why they keep coming back. So get the roots out.